Good morning, dear students. আমি সত্যরঞ্জন প্রামাণিক তোমাদের ষষ্ঠ শ্রেণীর ইংরেজি প্রথম পত্র প্রথম লেসন পাঠদানে উপস্থিত হয়েছি। তোমরা মনোযোগ দিয়ে এটা লক্ষ্য করো। লেসন নাম্বার 1, গোয়িং টু এ নিউ স্কুল। অধ্যকার তারিখ হচ্ছে 18/1/2021। গোয়িং টু এ নিউ স্কুল আমরা সেকশন এ অংশ পড়ছি। In fact, going to a new school is a new experience. Everybody is unknown there. In the lesson we see Tarun has moved to a new city with his parents. He is going to a new school and his new teacher has given him a form to fill out because his teacher wants to know more about Tarun. The form may be as follows. Number 1, my name is Tarun Chaudhary. Number 2, I am 11 years old. Number 3, I have brown eyes, brown hair, and I am 4 feet and 3 inches tall. Number 4, I am good at playing football and drawing. Number 5, my hobbies are collecting stamps and reading books. Number 6, I like to read comic books and eat peanuts in school times. Number 7, I really do not like any kind of soft drinks. Perhaps Tarun is going to get admission in class 6, and at the age of 6 he was in class 1. As he has been transferred from one place to another city, so he faced a new thing to get his admission at a new school. He has to give some information about his personal accounts to his teacher of the new school. Now he requires a birth registration certificate, his parents' names and their occupation, their income per year, their own identity cards and NID certificates photocopy and PEC pass certificate and the address of their present residence and so on. So he must take certificates from the chairman of his permanent address or residence. By this way, Tarun can be able to get his admission in his new school at a new place. Now, let us answer the following questions about Tarun's new admission into a new school. Now I can ask you, who is Tarun? You can answer, Tarun is a student of class 6. How old is he? তোমরা অ্যান্সার দিতে পারো, he is 11 years old. Tell his physical feature in brief. Tarun has brown eyes, brown hair, and he is 4 feet and 3 inches tall. Does he have any ability to do outside study? Outside study, he is good at playing football and drawing. What is his hobbies? His hobbies are collecting stamps and reading. What does he like in leisure time? In leisure time, he likes to read comic books and eat peanuts. Does he take any soft drinks? No, he does not take any soft drinks. Do you have face any experience to get a new admission in a new school in an unknown city like Turun? If so, tell 2 or 3 lines about your experience. Yes, I have faced experiences to get a new admission in a new school in an unknown city like Turun. And I feel it was interesting but sometimes wonderful, and I feel afraid as there was no person known to me who can give advices in my admission. New school, to join a new school is a new experience, and I think every students who newly join a new school can have experience like Torun. By reading this lesson, you also can learn how to write your personal account and express it to other person or to the headmaster of any school, and you can be able how to give information about yourself and how to write personal accounts. Now I am going to start part B about this lesson or regarding this lesson, how write a paragraph on how you felt on your first day at school and why you felt so. Dear children, question number A and B will be the homework for you all. I think you have learned a lot regarding a new admission of someone's personal experience. You may face this in your practical life or not. Really, this is an interesting and wonderful affair in life when anyone or any children is 11 years or not less than 11 years old and move to a new place or town. In this lesson, we see Torun has been transferred from one place to another or to a new city, and there he found a new school where would he will like to get admission. So he meet the headmasters and office assistants to receive some informations which are necessary for his admission newly there. In part B, we can see Tarun's first day in a new school. Now I am going to read this lesson. Please open at page 2, part B. Now I am reading and giving meaning of this part. My first day at new school was interesting. I was going Now I am starting. Please students, listen to me and look at your lesson at the page of 2, part B. My first day at the new school was interesting. I was going to school with my father in a rickshaw. We reached school after 15 minutes. My father said goodbye and left me at the school gate. I went in and found that everyone has gone to class. I walked into my classroom and found a seat. After some time, a teacher came and warmly greeted us. Perhaps he was the class teacher of our class. I found the students very friendly in my new class. Now look at part B1, choose the right answer. The passage is about number A, who took Torun to school the first day. Number B, how Torun felt on first day in school and why he felt so. Number 3 or C, what happened in the school on the first day. And part 2, match word from column A with a word from column B that has similar meaning. Column A, interesting, frightened, happy, excited, warmly. And column B, even words, lovingly, amusing, afraid, glad, thrilled. I think you will be able to match the word between two columns. Today we have tried to give you a lesson about the first day at school and going to a new school of a student is a new experience. Sometimes she felt afraid, sometimes she felt excited and gathered some new experience, and he also learned to know new faces with the help of his class teachers, his or her class teachers who teaches in the classes for the first time. Dear students, now I am repeating the lesson second part. You can give attention to this lesson. Now I will say Tarun requires a birth registration certificate, his parents' surnames and their occupation, their income per year, their own identity cards and NID certificates photocopy and PEC pass certificate and the address of their present residence and so on. So he must take certificates from the chairman of his permanent address or residence. By this way, Tarun can be able to get his admission in his new school at a new place. Now let us answer the following questions about Tarun's new admission in a new school. And this part I request you to make homework for you all. Who is Tarun? How old is he? Tell his physical feature in brief. Does he have any ability to do outside study? What is his hobbies? What does he like in leisure time? Does he take any soft drinks? Do you have faced any experience to get a new admission in a new school in an unknown city like Turun? If so, tell 2 or 3 lines about your own experiences. And now I am going to finish the classes today. Thank you all. I think will have you will have got you will have got textbooks and other books and collect your notebooks and start new year's lessons for EFT or English for today in class 6. That's the end. Thank you all.